Hi guys, it's Jess from My Magical Planner, and I'm so excited to open this package with you. So this is a mystery kit. Glam Planner, I think 4 times a year, does a seasonal mystery kit. You have to go onto the site and purchase it. It's not a subscription. And I was lucky enough to get one this time. And I can't wait to open this with you. I have no idea what it's going to be inside. I've never gotten one before, so I'm really excited. But if you are also getting this mystery kit and you do not want to see what it looks like until you get your own surprise, this is not the video for you because I am totally taking it out and showing you guys, and I seriously can't wait. I do have a couple of other things in here as well, and maybe we'll look at those after the mystery kit. So here goes. Are you ready? Okay, so I can see that the other kit is on top here. So I'm actually, I think, going to do that. Wait, that didn't work. I see a castle. Guys, castle. Castle. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at the scene. Okay, let's open it. So the mystery kits, if you don't know, they are $29.95, and it's a luxe kit plus like all the foils and extras and everything, so it's actually a pretty good deal considering like a normal luxe kit in her shop is about $28, so you're paying like an extra $2 for foil. Totally not a thing, and it's packed in there so tight that it didn't want to come out. Okay, so let's take a look here. Here obviously are our full boxes. It looks amazing. So I don't know if this is like any Disney princess in particular. It says Enchanted Winter. So you have, like, it almost gives me Elsa vibes, but not quite. So, and then you have this beautiful white wolf there. So, so pretty. Okay, so you have that. Now that I've stopped ogling it, so you have that, and then you have your checklist page with the ice crystals behind it. Absolutely stunning. Then you have this page. Oh, I like the squares here. Those are really pretty. And you have kind of this ice cape going on here, which again makes me think of Frozen with like the cave at the end of movie 2. I love the colors. Okay, and then you get all of your functional boxes here. Love the snowflakes on this one. Okay, and then we have all of our icons, which are kind of kiss cut. I think the last time that I got a kit from her, they weren't cut like this. They were all circles. I'll have to double check that. And then you have all of this deco down here. Love the crown made of crystals. Those are really pretty. And then you have this broken mirror. So, so cool. And I love the snowflakes. They have just a hint of blue in them. You have your weekend script. You have your marquee for marking a movie or something with the family. Some little checklists, some habit trackers, and your Monday through Sundays. You do get 2 of those Monday through Sundays, and there's definitely enough in this kit to do 2 weeks of planning, if not more. Seriously, I love the crystals. So, so pretty. And then, I think this is maybe the wood. I don't know what to call it over here with this green, but it's really pretty, and it goes so well with everything. And then we have our glitter headers. We have our to-do, important this week, to clean, exercise next week, work, school, health, dinners, family, spending, and just all of that. Our next page has our Monday through Sundays here, and all of these washies here. You always get 3. I can't decide actually on this one which my favorite is because I love the crystals and I love snowflakes, so those are both really awesome. And then I'm usually not drawn to the faux glitter, but it really works on here. So there's that. And then we have our extra boxes. Oh my goodness, look at how gorgeous she is. That's absolutely stunning. I will say that out of all of the people who make this type of kit, I think I like hers the most because of the Fashion Girls. I really like Scribbled Prints Co. too, but there's something about her Fashion Girls that are really amazing. Oh, and here's our glitter, which is an iridescent kind of glitter. So let's see if I can figure, because it doesn't always match the exact layout of your boxes. So let's see if I can figure it out. So I think, oh, maybe it does on this one. Maybe. It probably does, because this looks like it's the snow around the trees here. And maybe it looks like the pedestal and the like snow crystals on the top, and then you have your bird is glittered, your icicles, the back of her head and the crown, the outside edge of the mirror and the wand, and then the wolf is also got a glitter overlay. That's pretty cool. Okay, and then you get this, which will be the extra boxes. I'm not sure. Oh, turn it this way. So I think this one goes over the girl. I think. If so, her lower portion, like maybe all, like in here would all be glittered, but her head is not. I think that's what that's for. And then this one obviously is for the hand with the butterfly, which is kind of cool. And this will be for that castle that I saw at first. Oh, she has a red-headed one. And then this one totally would be Elsa. Oh, and I love the curls on this girl. I just love the versatility and the dynamic range of all the girls. Okay, and then, oh yeah, we have a washi overlays. Those are cool. Okay, hold on. I would say that the snowflakes maybe go with the snowflakes. What do you guys think? Because they're not the same snowflakes. At least I don't think they are. Are they? Oh, maybe they are. That's really cool. And then maybe you'd put that one over the crystals. I'm sure you could like do it any way you want it, but that's really cool. And I love this box here with the two little snowflakes. Oh, and then we have extra boxes here. And then this is our final box. So I wanted to see if I can get it back up. With the big box, is everything around the castle pretty much? It is. So the castle will really stand out. And this castle is so pretty. It reminds me of the castle that they used for inspiration for Cinderella's castle. It's, I think, in Germany, but I'm not 100% positive. But it's absolutely stunning. I am really happy I got this kit. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is the mystery kit. And then along with that, I also got, I'm planning on using the Change Your Fate kit for St. Patrick's Day, because it's kind of that Irish feel and everything, and it's Disney, so I thought it would be really fun. So, here we go. So I have the rest of the kit, which I picked up in a glitch sale, but I didn't have the castle, and I decided I wanted the castle. I should have gotten extenders, because I think I might need the space, but I absolutely love having the castle, and it's so pretty. So I have that, and then I also ordered this kit. It was, I think it came out the same day that you could order the mystery kit. So this is her Snow White version. I think she did one prior to this, but it was a reformat. At least that's what I'm remembering. And because I knew I was going to want just everything, I went ahead and ordered the Luxe kit. I don't think there was foil that could be bought with this. I'd have to, I can go back and double check that, but I don't think, at least at the time I purchased it, I didn't see foil. So Here we have an extra double box spread, and you have the well, and then you have a couple of the dwarfs here. So this is probably Bashful, Sleepy, and Grumpy over here. And we have the apple orchard behind them. And then we'll go for the big boxes first. And then this is, instead of the castle, you have a cottage in the woods, which is super cute, surrounded by an orchard. And then, of course, you have this Snow White and Seven Dwarfs book here. Snow White looks stunning. You're the fairest of them all. Kind of a tribute to our villain, I will say. And we have a poison apple recipe. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. And you can actually read what it says there. Oh my gosh. That is really cool. That's a lot of detail to go into, honestly. And then you have, of course, the apple there and apple pie. Then we have our checklists, which are surrounded by apples. This would be great for fall. And then, of course, you have the box that the huntsman brings back the heart in. Oh my gosh, there is Minecraft. So one thing I do with my family is, because all of my kids like playing Minecraft, and so we have family Minecraft days. And not only that, if you look here, so this is the design of a Mac computer, but it has a poison apple as the logo here, which is so funny. Oh my gosh. Sometimes the detail that people put into these, the artwork that is used on these, just amazes me. So I'm totally using that for a family Minecraft day. And then we have all of these beautiful boxes. I love the flags with the apples. And we have some dwarfs. So, so cute. Laundry time, trash. I love her scripts, honestly. I think they really bring the kit together. And we have some jewels here as well. And then we have like the wall of the cottage there. We have apples. We have this cute blue design. It makes me think of like subway tiles or something. Very, very cool. And of course we have all of our headers there. And then here's the round icons. Yeah, I think I like the Kiss Cut ones a little better. These are cute too, though. And then there is our Monday through Sunday and our wall. I will say the only thing that I have a hard time with this is I tend to like all of my headers to be the same color, which is never the case with her kits. There's always a variety there, which works great for color blocking. So if you really like color blocking, like totally check out her kits. They are amazing. So, and then we have our glitter headers here, and somehow I got the kit out of order, I think. I did. There's my front page. Anyhow, so that's all I have right now. I'm so excited about this. I'm going to go and edit it and hopefully get it up to you guys by 6 o'clock tonight. And yeah, so pretty. Well worth the price and the wait. So anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.